Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Solana video update. Very quickly, can you like this video please? And if you're outside of YouTube, go to YouTube and write in Adam coins, okay? I'm gonna have to do a very quick update for this one. And I've been on the sideline ever since we took our profits out from 218. Okay, it did went up, and the inverse head and shoulder, it played out beautifully. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I did made a video about this inverse head and shoulder right there. It played out, boom, came back for the retest, and it seems like it is holding the retest. Do you see that? The neckline, it is bouncing from the neckline at the moment. Let me turn on the 55, but it is below the 55 on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame, and just a little bit above the 20 EMA, but at the moment it's undecisive. It is undecisive for me to take a proper decision, to be honest, because you have to wait for the chart to lay out its setup. At the moment, it's not clear. It is not clear where it wants to go. Okay, it could actually still continue to go towards the downfall. And let me give you one small cheat sheet. Okay, let me give you a small idea here, because it is better to have a semantic analysis as well. We've been failing to cross this descending broadening wedge. Do you see that? Up down, came down, and look, we came up here, tried to break it. We did break out of it, but we failed the retest. And retests are very, very important. They're just that much important. And look, right on the money, break out, and now you're continuing towards the downside. Now this one, since we're failing the retest, it is better to see Solana break out of it with a huge volume, then come down for the retest and re-enter. If it passes the retest, that's where you're gonna re-enter, and you're breaking out of a very bullish pattern as a descending broadening wedge, and from here you're gonna go back to where you formed that descending broadening wedge. Now, unless for me I don't see a breakout, a clear breakout, I cannot say anything. And as a matter of fact, if I actually zoom in, this is gonna be a squeeze, okay, until 25th of November. So for the next 3 days, there's still a decision coming soon. Okay, there's still a decision coming soon. At the moment, it's undecisive. It's really hard to say to sell it or to buy it. So let's sit back and let's see what the market is going to do. And Bitcoin, I did update about Bitcoin is messing up. It is messing up. I'm going to show you Bitcoin in a minute right here. Now, the update I did say that it's looking to go down to this level, and people are asking me, oh, we have a pump right now, what about it? Yeah, the view is still downside, because I'm going to reassure you, you see, unless you're not crossing 61,000 and you're holding this the retest of this resistance right there, if you cross it, back test it, then you're going to flip bullish, and Solana is also going to flip bullish. Okay, Solana is being controlled by Bitcoin as well, so you have to keep that in mind. I've told you so many times. So let's put in a neckline right there. You see, we're still running into resistance. People thought that, oh, it's green, we are bullish. That's not how you decide the market, man. We did have a green right there. People back then said we're still bullish, but look what happened next. Okay, even at the moment, people are saying, oh, this green candle is bullish. It's not bullish. You're running into a resistance. Another resistance here, one resistance there, perfectly another resistance right here. So let's look at this. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin as well. And it's a Solana video, but let's say Bitcoin is making this kind of progress at the moment. Let's say you're getting this kind of a triangle. Okay, so look at Bitcoin. If it breaks out of it, Solana will break out of that descending broadening wedge as well. Keep that in mind. And if this backtest, that is also going to backtest. If it breaks out of this, go to 53,000, which is my pick, which is my own price prediction at the moment, then it seems that Solana is going to tend to go down as well. Okay, so I'm giving you this idea. Not a financial advice. If you're looking for buying anything or selling anything, let them play out in the next coming 3 days. Let them do their decision, and let's see what it does. If it breaks out, that's a good thing. Okay, we're gonna continue our journey to $300. Okay, and I do believe it's gonna do $300, and I'm going to reassure you that Solana on the long term is still bullish until $400 and even $700, which is going to be nearly the end of your bull market from my side. Okay, and from here, guys, listen, don't take any decisions quickly. Okay, anything can happen. This at the moment is a suspense, and I do want to see it break out of the descending broadening wedge or it actually breaks down and come nearly this level 208, or even dump much more farther near to the $189. Okay, it would be a nice discount as well if we go to the 170. Now let me tell you one thing, we're not going to go straight to the 170. There is a support level of support, two level of support as a matter of fact. Please watch this video carefully. If we dump, we're gonna get a support at these 208, and that was your trend line back in the days. Do you see that trend line is going to be respected once again? So I'm going to drop a blue horizontal line right there. This is going to be a support. If you lose this one, then the next support is 188, and then from here we go south completely for a huge big discount of $170. So you can buy in small chunks. You can buy a little bit here, 30% of your money. You can buy 30% here. You can buy 30% down there. So there's no need for you to actually wait for this, okay? Even though this is a price prediction that is there, but if, sometimes if it doesn't play out, at least you bought here, and at least you bought here, and then you continue towards the upside. Because on the long term, you're still winning, okay? On the long term, you will win, and we're looking for $300 in the coming next 1 or 2 months, hopefully for Solana. But till we're not moving, deciding this apex right here before 25th of November, anytime soon. It could be today, it could be tomorrow. Let's see a breakout, and let's see for Bitcoin breakout as well. If Bitcoin continues to the downside, and one more thing, if Bitcoin is not passing 61,000, this is in danger. It is in danger. If it passes 61,000, you're going to see this one pumping up, coming down for the retest. You can enter here, and everything, the down view is going to be invalidated. That's how it is, okay? The chart tells you the story, tells you the message, and you have to go with it. Don't go against the market, okay? Even though you were looking for something down there, do not wait for it and enter after a confirmation. And that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed that one. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new one. I love it.